Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create whiteboard animation video with your phone. What do you need? 1 phone, 2 application, 3 ideas. So let's get started. Okay, if you wanna create whiteboard animation video with your phone, you have to download first one, you have to download this application. Okay, I write down this application list on my video description, so you can download it. After that, you have to install it. Okay, please open this application. This is my lesson. Okay, how to create it, how to use this application. First one, you have to create this button. Okay, give title A 109. Okay, create movie. You can change it. This one for YouTube. Okay, create movie. After that, this is sticker. If you wanna create it with sticker, you can touch this is. Okay, this is prepare. School picture, building picture, electric picture, kitchen, furniture, shade, the title. Okay, you have to create like that. Do you see it? This is delay and during time and pass. This. Okay. Great. Okay. If you wanna write down test, you have to put on test board. You can change it at this test time. If you wanna change test time, click there. Okay, you can change it. Little bit bigger. This is during time. How many times do you want to show in this picture? 5 seconds, 6 seconds. This is per seconds. Okay, this is zoom on, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is my hometown. How to place, however it is. Let's check it. It is a little bit long time. This is my hometown. Okay, after that you can create another picture. You need to put on there. Okay, after that you can change it at this color. Okay, this is background color. You can change it whatever you want. Okay, This is test. My name is SUGG, suggest for you. This is like this. You can show little bit. You can change it. This is like that. You can create it easily. So easy for create. Add image, whatever photo. This photo. Okay. Shall we play? Like that. Okay. You can create whatever you want with your idea. This is so easy. Okay. This is my lesson. You can create a printer. You can put in your voice on this cover like that. Hello everybody, this is my hometown. My name is Suggest for you. I'm from Myanmar. Okay. You can listen like that. Hello everybody, this is my hometown. My name is Suggest for you. I'm from Myanmar. Let's please like that. Hello everybody, this is my hometown. My name is Suggest for you. I'm from Myanmar. You have to create with a harmoniously picture and writing text. After that, you can export it with your phone. This picture. This is saved in this application. This is a place button. This is save button. Okay, shall we say? You can pay name 119 after making a movie. Okay. After that, you can play it. It is too easy. It is too easy. You can test. Well, if you are enjoying my video lesson, please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. And okay, shall we? This is my past lesson with the English language. You know, my English is a little bit poor, therefore please understand to me. Okay, next video we will meet again. Bye for now.